In a world demanding unwavering reliability and unparalleled capability, the Toyota Land Cruiser stands as a titan. But the Land Cruiser 300 GR, in particular, represents the pinnacle of Toyota's engineering philosophy, a testament to what happens when precision, durability, and relentless human effort converge. This isn't just an SUV, it's a promise of adventure, a symbol of perseverance built to conquer the most challenging terrains on Earth. Its existence is a direct reflection of Toyota's mastery in manufacturing, a symphony of processes orchestrated for unmatched resilience. What true dedication can achieve, how it sculpts a legend, begins right here. The Land Cruiser's legendary robustness isn't accidental, it's the result of a deliberate, almost obsessive, design philosophy centered on overcoming the impossible. Engineers meticulously craft every component to withstand immense stress, from scorching deserts to frozen tundras, ensuring performance where others fail. This means over-engineering, exhaustive simulations, and a commitment to materials that simply refuse to yield. This approach ensures that when drivers push the limits, their vehicle responds with unwavering strength, pushing their own perceived boundaries further. Toyota's vision isn't just about building cars, it's about empowering explorers. The journey of the Land Cruiser 300 GR begins at Toyota's Yoshiwara plant, a facility steeped in the philosophy of monozukuri, the art of making things. This isn't just any factory, it's a sanctuary where generations of expertise meet cutting-edge technology, specifically dedicated to building Toyota's most robust vehicles. Every corner of Yoshiwara echoes with the pursuit of perfection, a place where human ingenuity and machine precision collaborate seamlessly. It's here that raw materials transform into components, infused with the spirit of excellence. The very air pulses with a dedication to crafting vehicles that will perform under any condition. The Land Cruiser's legendary strength starts with its skin. At Yoshiwara, massive hydraulic presses stamp sheets of high-strength steel with incredible precision, forming body panels that are both rigid and lightweight. The selection of materials, including advanced high-tensile steel, is paramount, designed to create a vehicle structure that can absorb impact and resist deformation in the harshest environments. These initial contours, seemingly simple, are the first foundational steps in building an SUV that will defy expectations. Every panel is a testament to the pursuit of a flawless start, ensuring structural integrity from the very beginning. Once stamped, the individual body panels converge in a ballet of automation. Hundreds of robotic arms move with astounding precision, welding points that fuse the structure into an unyielding shell. This isn't just about speed, it's about absolute consistency and strength, areas where robotics excel. Humans, however, remain crucial, overseeing the process, ensuring every weld meets Toyota's rigorous standards. This synergy between advanced robotics and human oversight guarantees a chassis that is not only robust but also perfectly consistent, providing the Land Cruiser with its renowned, inherent strength for years to come. Beyond aesthetics, the Land Cruiser's paint job is a critical layer of defense against corrosion and wear. Vehicles undergo an extensive multi-stage painting process, electrocoat for rust prevention, multiple primer layers, base coats for color, and a final clear coat for protection and shine. Each layer is applied with exacting precision in climate-controlled environments, ensuring a flawless finish that can withstand harsh elements for decades. This meticulous process safeguards the vehicle's longevity, a testament to Toyota's commitment to not just performance, but also enduring quality and lasting value for its owners. The Land Cruiser 300 GR roars to life with a 3.5-litre twin-turbo V6 engine, a marvel of modern engineering. Its assembly is a symphony of precision, where components are meticulously fitted by skilled technicians and sophisticated machinery. Every engine undergoes rigorous testing, ensuring it meets exacting performance and reliability standards before it even touches the vehicle frame. This isn't merely an engine, it's the beating heart of the Land Cruiser, designed for robust power delivery and enduring efficiency, ready to tackle any challenge and inspire confidence in its journey. Unlike many modern SUVs, the Land Cruiser 300 GR retains its legendary body-on-frame construction, a critical factor in its unparalleled durability. At Yoshiwara, the ladder frame is a masterpiece of strength, using high-tensile steel and robust crossmembers to create an incredibly rigid foundation. This frame is engineered to absorb punishment, protect occupants, and provide the stable platform essential for extreme off-road performance. Building this spine is a meticulous process, ensuring every joint and weld contributes to an unyielding structure. It's the core promise of longevity, built to endure generations of expeditions. With the ladder frame complete, the chassis truly takes shape. Suspension components, axles, differentials, and the drivetrain are meticulously assembled onto this robust foundation. The Land Cruiser's advanced kinetic dynamic suspension system, KDSS, and multi-link rear suspension are carefully integrated, designed to provide both supreme off-road articulation and comfortable on-road manners. This complex ballet of mechanical parts is performed with utmost precision, ensuring every bolt is tightened to specification, every component perfectly aligned. It's here that the Land Cruiser's dual nature, a comfortable cruiser and an unstoppable explorer, is expertly forged, ready for any challenge ahead. One of the most iconic stages in body-on-frame vehicle production is the marriage, where the painted body shell is carefully lowered onto the completed chassis. This precision operation demands perfect alignment, as thousands of mounting points must converge seamlessly. Robotics and human operators work in tandem, guiding the components into place before they are securely fastened. This critical juncture brings together the protective shell and the durable underpinnings, giving birth to the recognizable Land Cruiser form. It's a moment that symbolizes the merging of aesthetic and brute strength, a commitment to enduring capability. Inside the Land Cruiser 300 GR, luxury meets rugged functionality. The interior assembly phase sees skilled technicians meticulously installing premium materials, advanced infotainment systems, and ergonomic controls. Every stitch in the leather, every alignment of a trim piece, is inspected for perfection. This cabin is designed not just for comfort, but for command, providing the driver with an intuitive interface and the passengers with a sanctuary from the outside world. It reflects a dedication to creating an environment that supports long journeys and demanding expeditions with equal grace, inspiring confidence and contentment. Before a Land Cruiser 300 GR leaves the factory, it undergoes a battery of exhaustive quality checks, far beyond industry standards. Manual inspections complement automated systems, with expert eyes and advanced sensors scrutinizing every detail. From panel gaps to electronic functions, from fluid levels to paint finish, nothing is overlooked. This multi-layered approach to quality assurance is a hallmark of Toyota's production system, ensuring that every vehicle delivers on the promise of legendary reliability from the moment it rolls off the line. This relentless pursuit of perfection provides peace of mind, empowering owners with a vehicle they can truly trust. The ultimate test for any Land Cruiser happens not on the factory floor, but on dedicated proving grounds. Here, vehicles are subjected to simulations of the world's most challenging terrains and conditions, far exceeding typical driving. Steep inclines, deep water crossings, rocky trails, and high-speed maneuvers push the Land Cruiser to its absolute limits. This brutal regimen ensures that every component performs as designed, guaranteeing unwavering performance in the real world. Only by enduring such trials does a Land Cruiser truly earn its badge, inspiring confidence that it will never falter, no matter the journey. While robotics enhance efficiency and precision, the soul of Land Cruiser production lies with its human artisans. Generations of Toyota workers, imbued with the spirit of Kaizen, continuous improvement, bring their unparalleled skill and dedication to every stage. Their meticulous attention to detail, honed through years of training, is irreplaceable. They don't just assemble parts, they craft a legacy, taking immense pride in building a vehicle that will literally travel the world. It's this human touch, this commitment to excellence, that truly elevates the Land Cruiser beyond mere machinery, making it a testament to human potential. From the production lines of Yoshiwara, the Toyota Land Cruiser 300 GR embarks on its journey to every corner of the globe. Its reputation for reliability has made it an indispensable tool for aid organizations, a trusted companion for adventurers, and a symbol of prestige for families worldwide. The demand far outstrips supply, reflecting the global trust in its capabilities and the understanding that this is more than just transportation, it's an investment in resilience. It unites people across borders, a tangible link forged in Japanese steel and human ingenuity, connecting diverse cultures through shared experiences. The production of the Land Cruiser 300GR is more than just manufacturing, it's a commitment to an enduring legacy. Toyota continues to innovate, integrating new technologies and sustainable practices while upholding the core values of durability and reliability that define the Land Cruiser. This constant evolution ensures the vehicle remains relevant and capable in a changing world, inspiring future generations of explorers and adventurers. As the world progresses, the Land Cruiser evolves with it, a beacon of what unwavering dedication, meticulous engineering, and human spirit can achieve, promising boundless potential for those who dare to explore.